Good morning, Bat community. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Welcome to the final day for our 1957 Buick Special Convertible. This car is so pretty, guys. Every little detail is gorgeous. All the stripes, all the chrome, the paint, the top, the wheels, the tires. The list goes on and on. Look at this paint shine. Guys, this is a real rough, these are tube lights. This is a real rough area to photograph a car, but it just shows so well. We can even do it here, and it's gorgeous. I'm gonna pull it outside here too, but I mean, whew, this car is gorgeous and nice. Runs good too. I'm gonna do a cold start for you guys while it's in the garage. I noticed there wasn't one in the sale. Windshield's all perfect. I'll do a cold start real quick and then take it outside and do another walk around. But you know, there is no ugly spot on this car. There is no area that needs attention. It is ready to go, drive, show, enjoy. I mean, look at these details. It's so gorgeous. So let me get on that cold start and here we go. I mean, is that easy? That's easy. Over here. Look at the shift pattern. So this is park, neutral, drive, low, and reverse is all the way at the end. There's no slop in the rear end. There's no delay in gear changes. These door panels too. I mean, it's 100%. This car is all there. So, car runs smooth, starts as easy as can be. There's no smoke coming out of this car. It does not leak fluid. It just purrs. Very excited for the next owner. It's going to be quite a car to have. Very, very special car. Okay, get it? Special. Okay, I'll pull it outside and I'll be with you guys shortly. Hi guys, Justin here again. Part 2, direct sunlight, quick walk around video for our 1957 Buick Special. Guys, look at this car. What a pretty car, and I'll tell you from driving it, it's just smooth as butter too. And butter is the optimum word when you're describing this car. Just so pretty. I mean, it is just a gorgeous piece of Americana right here. All the chrome, the top. Look how nice the top is. Jeez. All the windows fit properly. All the chrome. All the hubcaps aren't beat up. The white walls are perfect. It's tough to restore a car like this, guys. There weren't a lot of them around, so the parts are very hard to come by. So this kind of job might even be impossible today to do unless you had a huge budget. So the only way to buy a car like this is buy it done and buy it right, and this one is right and ready. So if you're in the market, it's a great choice. Get your bidding credentials ready. This ends today, and someone is going to have this beauty parked in their garage or in their museum. Let us know if we can answer any more questions. Happy to help. And yeah, guys, happy bidding. Looking forward to talking to the winner soon. Thanks again.